This 2000 Chevrolet Malibu sedan is located in Milwaukee and has 79,510 miles on it. This sedan has a beautiful navy blue metallic exterior paint color which is complemented by a gray interior color. This vehicle features air conditioning, anti-lock brakes, security features, alloy wheels, automatic transmission, and many other features. For more information on this great sedan, please click the link to the right.